You are going to love the 2023 Pathfinder. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, door courtesy lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.